Hi everyone, in this video I would like to show you how to make these tiny flowers. You can see the written and drawn pattern here. We are going to start with a ring with 5 picots, and then we're just going to make 5 chains around this ring. The written pattern is here: 1 double stitch, a picot, 4 double stitches. We are making these 4 times, and the last is 3 double stitches, and then we join the chains to these picots. So first let's do 1 double stitch, a picot, 4 double stitches, a picot, 4 double stitches, a picot, 4, a picot, 4, and the last double stitches, they are only 3. Let's do it together. I thread my needle. I leave a, I don't know, like 40 centimeters tail. We don't need a lot for this project. And let's start to making 1 double stitch. If you don't know how to make a double stitch, please check out my previous videos. And a picot. I just leave a space between the 2 double stitches, and I'm making 3 more to make it 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and again a picot and 3 more. 1, 2, 3. We already have 3 picots. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 picots finished. The first one. 1, 2, 3, 4. I make it a bit tighter. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last, after the last picot, I just make 3 double stitches. The last picot, 1, 2, and 3 double stitches. 1 picot, 4 picot, 4 picot, 4 picot, 4 picot, and the last stitch is just 3. Always it's better to check before we pull through the thread, because it's easier to correct the later. So I am forming a loop here. My tail is shorter than the loop. I am pulling the needle through, and I am going to put the needle here from the back to the front. I am forming a ring with 5 picots. I am just making sure it's closed, so I closed my ring, and we have the first row finished. Now we are going to make chains to connect the picots, but I am right here, so I have to go right here. From the front to the back, I am just putting my needle through, and I am making a knot here from the back to the front. And in this case, I'm not making a very tight knot. I just want to look like a picot, this one. So this is where I'm going to start my first chain. I put my needle on top of this knot, and I'm making 12 chains, double stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I made 12 double stitches to form the first chain. I'm not putting my needles to this ring. I'm just pulling it. I forgot my pinky there. If I'm making it tighter, the curve is getting nicer. I'm closing this curve, just making a knot, And again from the front to the back, I'm connecting the chains to the picot, and to close it again a knot. And I have to do this 1, 2, 3, 4 more times. So I need 12 double stitches, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are 12 double stitches. I'm just forming the petal of the flower, pulling the thread and closing the chains. And I don't have to turn my work in this flower, making this flower. Closing it, connecting it, and can come the next one. Put on top, start to make 12 double stitches. 1, 2. Eight. Supposed to be 12. Just pulling all the way through, a bit tighter, and I'm making a knot here. It's secure now. From front to the back, I am making another knot here, and almost finished. We have 2 more petals. I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. 12 double stitches. Again, just pull through with that, closing the ring, forming this curve, a bit tighter, and holding this and making a knot here so it's not going anywhere. Again, for the last picot, from the front to the back, holding tight and putting a knot here. And the last one, we are going to join here, put on top of the knot and make 12 double stitches. 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 11, and 12. 12 double stitches all the way without crossing, pulling, and again making sure it's not coming out. And now I am just going to find this hole, the first picot, and I'm going to make a knot here. I just went through, I am pulling this tight and putting a knot here, so my flower is nice. If you want to make it for a keychain, you can just put a ring here and then you can connect it, but without that you can use this as a decoration. I am putting another knot because we have finished. I usually cut the thread. It has to be long enough to thread to this level, and I am going to hide the ends. I am just picking up some stitches from here, nobody can see them. And I'm cutting it. When you cut, make sure you're not cutting the flower itself. And another one. I'm using this cute threader. And I have one more tail. I'm going to hide to the other direction. Just picking up some stitches. 3 is okay. If you can do more, like 4, 5, it's even more secure. Again, I have to cut it. And we have finished. Nice and easy. I hope you could follow. If you liked it, please join to my channel, sign up, and click the tiny bell so you can see if I'm making another video. Have a great day. See you soon.